Jakarta di Tangerang, Banten. Selamat datang di Jakarta. Silakan tetap laut 12 di terminal kedatangan. Kami ucapkan selamat berpisah dan terima kasih atas penerbangan Anda bersama Garuda Indonesia, anggota dari SkyTeam. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. Please remain seated until we have reached our final parking position and the fasten seatbelt sign is off. Please do not switch on your mobile phone until you are in the terminal building. Passengers at flight connection are requested to consult our ground staff and the transfer desk. Before disembarking, please make sure to take all your personal belongings in your seating area, in your seat pocket, and in the overhead compartment. Please be careful when you open the overhead compartment. Business class passengers may disembark first. We would like to inform Garuda Miles Platinum and SkyTeam Elite Plus members that for the time being, you may claim your baggage at baggage carousel 12 in the arrival hall. We would like to say goodbye to all passengers and thank you for flying Garuda Indonesia, member of SkyTeam.